In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream on Twitch with OBS Studio 2026. Let's start by opening OBS Studio. If you don't have it yet, head to the official OBS website, download the installer for your operating system, and follow the prompts. Once it's installed, launch OBS so we can set everything up for Twitch. Inside OBS, open settings, go to the Stream tab, choose Twitch as the service, and connect your account. You'll be prompted to sign in and authorize OBS so it can send your broadcast to your channel. Connecting your account keeps things simple and avoids manual stream key copy pasting, and it also helps OBS automatically pick the right ingest server. Next, let OBS help you dial in the basics. Run the auto configuration wizard, select the option tailored for streaming, and let it analyze your hardware and connection. This wizard recommends a base resolution, output resolution, frame rate, and encoder, so you start with stable, realistic settings rather than guessing. Now build your show. In the main window, create a scene and add your sources. For gameplay, add a game capture. If you want your whole screen, use display capture. Add your webcam with video capture device and position or resize it in the preview. For audio, include your microphone using audio input capture and your system sound with audio output capture. Watch the audio meters as you speak and play. Keep your mic peaking just below the red to avoid distortion. Rename and organize your sources so it's easy to manage during a live show. Open settings again and head to output. This is where you'll lock in streaming quality and performance. For the encoder, choose a hardware option to keep your CPU free for your game and overlays. If you're on NVIDIA, select NVENC. If you're on a recent AMD card, choose AMD AV1 if it's available. Hardware encoders provide smooth streams with lower system load. Set your bitrate to match your target quality and your upload speed. For 1080p, use 6000 kbps. For 720p at 60 frames per second, 4500 kbps is a solid choice. Higher bitrates look better but require more consistent upload bandwidth, so leave a little headroom to avoid dropped frames. With everything ready, look to the bottom right of OBS and click Start Streaming. Keep an eye on the status indicators for dropped frames or high CPU usage, and glance at your Twitch dashboard to confirm your title and category are correct. You're live. That's it. Launch OBS, connect Twitch, let the wizard tune your setup, build scenes and sources, configure output with a hardware encoder, pick the right bitrate, and go live with Start Streaming. Happy streaming.